നമസ്കാരം. GK വിന്നറിൻ്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാ കൂട്ടുകാർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. LDC, LGS, ഡിഗ്രി ലെവൽ പോലുള്ള പരീക്ഷകൾക്ക് വളരെ പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ഒരു ടോപ്പിക്കാണ് ഇന്ത്യൻ ഭരണഘടന. ഇന്ത്യൻ ഭരണഘടനയിൽ നിന്നുള്ള 100 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ അടങ്ങിയതാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ഈ വീഡിയോ. ആദ്യത്തെ ചോദ്യം. The first meeting of the Constituent Assembly of India was held on December 9, 1946. Who was elected as the first temporary president of Constituent Assembly? Dr. Sachidananda Sinha. Who was the Constitutional Advisor to the Constituent Assembly? B.N. Rao. The chairman of the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Who was elected as the permanent chairman of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Total sessions of the Constituent Assembly 11. The objective resolution adopted by the Constituent Assembly on January 22, 1947 was drafted by Dash Jawaharlal Nehru. The source of all political power in India lies with the Dash, the Constitution. What was the exact constitutional status of the Indian Republic of January 26, 1950? A sovereign democratic republic. The national anthem was first sung on December 27, 1911 during the Congress session at Calcutta. The original song of national anthem consists of 5 stanzas. How many languages were originally recognized by the Constitution as regional languages? 18. The national flag of India was hoisted for the first time at midnight on 31st December 1929. Our national anthem has been written by Rabindranath Tagore. The national emblem of India has been adopted from the Ashoka pillar at Saranath. Our national song Vande Mataram has been written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. The Constituent Assembly adopted our national flag on July 22, 1947. How much time did the Constituent Assembly take to prepare the Constitution of India? 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. How many articles and schedules did the Indian Constitution contain when it was originally passed? 395 articles and 8 schedules. The Constitution of India was adopted on November 26, 1949. The Constitution of India came into force on January 26, 1950. The key to open the edifice of the Constitution. The preamble. The architect of the preamble, Jawaharlal Nehru. The preamble can be amended under Article 368. The two words added in the preamble of the Constitution through the 42nd Amendment are socialist and secular. The basic aim and objectives of the Indian Constitution have been discussed in the preamble. Which part of the Indian Constitution proclaims India as a secular nation? The preamble. The soul of the Constitution is preamble. How many times the preamble has been amended so far? Once. The preamble of the Constitution of India was amended by 42nd Amendment. The idea of amendment procedure in the Constitution of India has been borrowed from South Africa. The idea of concurrent list was borrowed from Australia. From the Constitution of Russia, we have borrowed the concept of fundamental duties and preamble. The framers of the Constitution borrowed the idea of judicial review from the Constitution of United States of America. The framers of the Constitution borrowed the form of government from Switzerland. From the Constitution of Canada, we have borrowed the scheme of our federation. From the Constitution of Ireland, we have borrowed the concept of directive principles of state policy. The parliamentary system of government in India is based on the pattern of parliament government in Britain. The idea of incorporation of fundamental right in the Constitution of India has been borrowed from the Constitution of USA. The period of acquisition of the citizenship through registration has been increased from 6 months to 5 years. Who has the power to regulate the right of citizenship of the Indian people? Parliament. A person can apply for the citizenship of India after staying for a minimum duration of 5 years. Which type of citizenship is provided by the Constitution of India? Single citizenship. The citizenship of India cannot be terminated when there is war. The granting of fundamental rights to citizens aims at ensuring individual liberty. How many fundamental rights are enjoyed by the Indians? 6. Fundamental rights can be suspended during an emergency by the Parliament. Which fundamental right has been deleted from our Constitution through the Constitutional Amendment? Right to property. The fundamental rights can be suspended by the President. Can Parliament amend or modify any of the fundamental rights given in the Constitution? Parliament can amend them by special majority. Who headed the committee appointed by the Constituent Assembly to finalize the fundamental rights of Indian citizens? Sardar Patel. Which fundamental right cannot be suspended even during an emergency under Article 352 of the Constitution? Right of life. Which fundamental right is concerned with abolition of social distinctions? Right to equality. The main objective of Article 13 of the Constitution is to secure the paramountcy of the Constitution with regard to fundamental rights. Freedom of speech under the Indian Constitution is subject to reasonable restriction on the ground of protection of sovereignty and integrity of the country. Writs can be issued for the enforcement of fundamental rights by both the Supreme Court and the High Courts. The right to impose reasonable restrictions on the fundamental rights of Indian citizens is vested in the Parliament. The right to private property was excluded from the list of fundamental rights by 44th Amendment. For enforcing the fundamental rights, the court can issue writs, which writ literally mean we command, mandamus. A writ issued by a court to some inferior authority to transfer the matter to it for its proper consideration is called prohibition. The Supreme Court of India declares by issuing a writ that the respondent was not entitled to an office he was holding or a privilege he was exercising, which writ is that quo warranto. The writ issued to court cooperation or a person enjoining to do its public duty is the writ of mandamus. In which part of the Constitution the directive principles are enriched? Part 2. The enforcement of directive principles depends mostly on resources available to the government. The Uniform Civil Code has been recommended in the directive principles to ensure national integration. The directive principles are in the nature of instructions to the government to do certain things. The directive principles of state policy underline the philosophy of socialism. Which part of the Constitution of India refers to the responsibility of the state towards international peace and security? Directive principles of state policy. Which directive principles of state policy can be described Gandhian in spirit? Organization of village panchayat. Directive principles of state policy are non-justiciable. Fundamental duties were introduced in the Constitution by the 42nd Amendment. The fundamental duties of the Indian citizens are enshrined in Part 4A of the Constitution. The fundamental duties were incorporated in the Constitution to make the fundamental rights more meaningful. The fundamental duties were incorporated in the Indian Constitution in 1976. The idea of fundamental duties was derived from the Russian Constitution. How many fundamental duties are there in the Constitution? 11. The 11th fundamental duties was added in the Constitution by 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. Which article of the Constitution prohibits the employment of children below 14 years of age? Article 24. Which article provides protection to life and liberty to all persons? Article 21. Which article prohibits the state from conferring any title? Article 18. Which article affords protection against arbitrary arrest and detention? Article 22. Which article gives provision regarding emergencies? Article 352. What is the maximum limit of time to which the national emergency is extended under Article 356? No time limit has been fixed. Money bill has been defined in the Constitution under Article Dash. Article 110. Under which article of the Constitution of India can the President of India be impeached? Article 61. Which article of the Constitution abolishes untouchability? Article 17. Which article of the Constitution defines the duties of the Chief Minister? Article 167. The President can promulgate a presidential rule in a state under Article 356. The Council of Ministers is collectively responsible to the Lok Sabha as per the Article 75 of the Constitution. When was the first amendment in the Constitution made? 1951. The lengthiest amendment to the Constitution is the 42nd Amendment. Nagaland was created as a state as per the 13th Amendment in 1962. Which amendment conferred statehood to Arunachal Pradesh? 55th Amendment. Which constitutional amendment reduced the voting age from 21 to 18 years? 61 Amendment. Which constitutional amendment abolished the title and special privileges of former rulers of princely state? 26th Amendment. Which constitutional amendment made changes in the preamble to the Indian Constitution? 42nd Amendment. Which constitutional amendment introduced the anti-defection provisions in the Constitution for the first time? 52nd Amendment. Mizoram was conferred upon the statehood by 53rd Amendment.
LDS, LGS, ഡിഗ്രി ലെവൽ പരീക്ഷകൾക്ക് പൊതുവായി ചോദിക്കുവാറുള്ള ഒരു പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട ടോപ്പിക്കാണ് ഇന്ത്യൻ ഭരണഘടന. ഇന്ത്യൻ ഭരണഘടനയിൽ നിന്നുള്ള 100 ചോദ്യങ്ങളും അതിൻ്റെ ഉത്തരങ്ങളുമാണ് ഞാൻ ഇന്ന് ഈ വീഡിയോയിലൂടെ നിങ്ങൾക്കായി അവതരിപ്പിച്ചത്. എൻ്റെ ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുതേ.